Hi class and welcome to week 5. We only have a little over 1 week left in the course, so be sure to plan accordingly to complete all of your field experience hours. You must have 30 hours of field experience completed by the end of the course or you will not pass the class. The last day of class is Tuesday, February 6th. All assignments, including the field experience hours, are due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on that day. No late work will be accepted for any reason. This week, we will be learning about connecting with children, families, and the community. In addition to your weekly reading, you will participate in the Module 5 discussion, complete Part 4 of your course project, and submit your weekly field experience report. Please note that the Module 5 live classroom session that will be this Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I hope you all can attend the live session so we can have an active and engaging conversation. If you cannot participate in the live session, you will be able to view a recording of it and complete the live session quiz in order to receive credit. That's all for today's announcement. As always, let me know if you have any questions.